dua from Fun Mania. In today's video, something really awesome is gonna happen because today in our video, first time we are gonna release bloopers, really funny bloopers. So stay tuned, watch till end. Hello guys, I'm so happy my Sajjada have come. Beautiful memories are back, like we used to live in the village together. So happy our Dada has come, yay! So guys, in today's video, same like that, we are gonna take his interview. Who can be there this time? Who is this?
Sajjad.
Who's Sajjad?
Sajjad Dada.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
He's a really good teacher and he's a really good comment writer. Very learned person. Please with you. So let's start our today's video.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Fine. And you?
I'm fine.
Good. And how are you, baby?
I'm fine.
Good.
Wait, why are you saying your baby?
Your baby, that kid. You're my kid. Grown.
So you live in a village. Please can you tell us how is the life over there? Is it difficult or easy like these places?
Life is very comfortable, beta. Okay, there is greenery, trees, field, grasses.
I live in a village.
Again, there are kettles. Okay, pure things are for food, for our food.
That sounds so good. I would like to live in a village too. I do, but there is no internet.
No, in this modern age, every facilities are found in our village. Internet, transport,
It's
metro,
still gonna be my clay.
trains are also there. Available. Now villages are not backward areas. Now it is very developed areas, baby.
Toy ice cream machine that have clays to make ice cream.
Every type of toys.
Exactly, just
yes,
right in our village.
Every type of toys, mud toys, plastic toys, electronic toys are available in village.
I have never seen mud toys. Can you please explain?
Toys means we made clay and with the clay the boys and the girls like you made their toys like buffaloes, like plane, like cycle, and they are called mud toys.
How much years are you?
And I'm 57, beta.
You look like 177.
Oh. I hope that I'll touch 75. Okay, I am too much hope by my Allah that I'll touch 75. 7500.
Guys, pray for the long life of our Dada. Bye.
Good health. Thank you. Ameen.
The people of village.
The people of village are very simple. They use simple dressing like shalwar kameez, like kurta shalwar. They live a simple life. They go early to bed and early to rise. They work in farms, fields.
Interesting. Happy story.
They are very hard working people. They love. They are also keen interested in study. They get study.
Okay, so guys, this brings us to the end of our video. But before going away, subscribe down below, comment,
Share and like our channel. Thank you.
Wow, it sounds very lovely.
People are very simple. They live like a simple people. They love each other, and they use